Hi guys, so we're going to do a mukbang. This is from Daisuki. This is their food, bro. It's actually pretty good. I ordered the Daisuki ramen and the burger solo. That is their burger solo and some sparkling water. Okay, let's have a brunch. Actually eat breakfast naman, pero I'm still hungry. And yep, I think this is gluttony, which is not good. Pero mag fasting man ta next week, so look at that. The sparkling. That's so nice. Let me